Hey guys, it's Amaya. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup look. And so yeah, if you want to learn how to do that, keep watching. So I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use these two colors at the top as my transition colors. Now I'm going to be taking this color and this like dark brown, and I'm going to be putting that in the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to be mixing these two red shades. They look way more red than in person, but I'm just gonna be mixing those two. I'm just gonna be packing that on my outer eye. I'm also going to be blending it into just a little into the crease. Okay, so this is how it looks, and now I'm going to be taking this big brush and I'm just going to be blending it with my transition colors. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm going to be cutting my crease, just like a half cut crease, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I forgot to mention, but I already had my brows done, and I used the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in soft brown. So yeah. Okay, so now that the crease is cut, I set it with my chocolate gold Too Faced palette. I used Rollin' in Dough. I set my eyes with that, and I'm going to take this flat brush and I'm going to be taking this color. It's like a really deep like maroon. So I'm going to be putting that shade where I cut my crease. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I'm going to be taking this liner brush by KatVonD, and I'm going to be taking my chocolate gold palette and taking the color Money, and I'm just going to use that as like eyeliner. So now that that is done, I'm going to be doing the rest of my face, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I just did my face makeup, and I used the Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'm in 180. And then for concealer, I used the Clinique Beyond Perfecting concealer, and it's a mess, I know. Don't care. Okay, so now I'm going to bake, but not really bake, because yeah. I'm using the KatVonD Lock-It setting powder in translucent. Hey guys, so at this point of the video, the lighting gets super bad, so don't mind that, but enjoy the video. So now I'm going to be taking this Real Techniques contour brush. Okay, so for mascara, I use this little mini size of roller lash, and yeah. So now for highlight, I'm going to be mixing these two together. This is the Tarte highlighter in Exposed, and then this is the Becca Light Tracer highlighter in Champagne Dream. Now I'm just taking the Tarte one. Oh, and it's looks gross, but it's okay. And I'm just going to be highlighting my brow bone. And the inner corners. Bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer. Basically putting this all over my face until I get sick of the smell, so. Okay, so for my lips, I'm going to be lining them with this MAC lip liner in Boldly Bare. Okay, so this is the lip liner, and I'm just going to throw some gloss on top. So I'm going to be using this NYX Intense Butter Gloss. This is in Leches. Yeah, I'm really bad at speaking. What? Okay, I'm just gonna put this on my lips. Okay, so this is the finished look. It's super pretty. I didn't do lashes because I was struggling, so like, yeah, but that mascara is super good. So that's the end of this tutorial. If you want to see more tutorials, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!